Hello students, today in this part we will calculate the density of a cubic unit cell. So all we know that density is nothing but it is the ratio of mass per volume. Okay. So we can also calculate the density in case of a cubic unit cell. To calculate the density of a cubic unit cell, we have to know the mass of that unit cell and also the volume occupied by the atoms present in that unit cell. Okay. In case of a unit cell, we can calculate the density by this formula, and density is represented by small d. D is equal to mass of the unit cell per volume of unit cell. Okay. See, this is a cubic unit cell and this is the its length. And all we know that in case of a cubic unit cell, it has the same edge length. So, volume of the unit cell will be what? Because all you know that in case of a cubic unit cell, it has the same edge length. Okay. So this is the volume of the unit cell, that is A cube. Now to calculate the mass of the unit cell, we have to know two terms. Okay. First one is what? Number of atoms in unit cell, which is represented by Z, and mass of each atom small m. Okay. So now see what is number of atoms in unit cell. We already calculate the number of atoms in a unit cell. Okay. And we know that in case of a simple cubic unit cell, the number of atoms will be what? Only 1. In case of BCC, that is body centered cubic unit cell, number of atoms will be 2. And in case of face centered, that is FCC cubic unit cell, the number of atoms will be 4. And this type of unit cell will be mentioned in the question. So you should not scared about it. You should only remember this number of atoms. Okay. And what is the mass of each atom? We all know that the unit cell is consist of a number of atoms. Okay. And these atoms have a definite mass. We should calculate the mass of each atom present in the unit cell. And the mass of each atom or single atom present in a unit cell can be calculated as, that is equal to molar mass, that is capital M, per Avogadro constant. This value is, the Avogadro constant's value is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 per mole. Because this is what? The number of unit per mole of substance. Okay. So if we will divide the molar mass of atom by the Avogadro constant, then we will get the mass of each atom present in that unit cell. Therefore, mass of the unit cell will be what? Z into M. M is nothing but it is the mass of each atom present in that unit cell. Okay. Therefore, density of unit cell, that is small d, is equal to mass of unit cell per volume of unit cell. Now putting these all values, volume of unit cell is what? We have already calculated it, that is A cube. And mass of the unit cell is what? This is Z into M. M is the mass of each atom. Okay. Now putting the values of M. M is equal to what? Molar mass per Avogadro constant, that is M per N of A. Therefore, D is equal to, that is density is equal to Z into M per A cube into N of A. This is the formula to calculate the density of a cubic unit cell. Okay. Here D is what? Density of the unit cell. A cube is volume of the unit cell. N of A, that is Avogadro constant, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 per mole, and M is the molar mass. Okay. So out of these 5 parameters, if any 4 are known, then we can determine the fifth value. Okay. So this is the formula of a density of a cubic unit cell. Now see an example. The question is what? An element having BCC geometry and it has atomic mass 50 gram per mole. Then find the density of unit cell if edge length of the unit cell is 290 picometer. Okay. So in this question we have to find out the density of that unit cell. And we can determine the density of the unit cell by using the formula we have discussed above. Okay. So first you have to write the given parameters. Okay. What is given here? The mass of the unit cell is what? 50 gram per mole. Edge length of the unit cell is what? 290 picometer. That is A equal to 290 picometer. Okay. Now see, you have to convert this picometer into centimeter. Why it is in centimeter? Because see, this unit is in what? Gram per mole. Gram is in CGS unit. So you have to convert this picometer unit into centimeter. Okay. We know that 1 picometer is equal to what? 10 to the power minus 12 meter. And this meter should be in the centimeter form. So 10 to the power minus 12 meter is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. So this is equal to 290 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. Now also what is given? It has a BCC geometry. Okay. So we can calculate the number of atoms, that is the Z value. So in case of BCC unit cell, the number of atoms is what? 2. And also A cube, that is the volume, will be what? 290 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter whole cube. So what should we calculate? That is the density. D is equal to question mark. Okay. Now density formula is what? Z into M by A cube into N of A. Now putting this all given values in this formula and calculate it. After calculating this, what we get? That is equal to 6.81 gram per centimeter cube. Because per mole will be cancelled and the unit will be gram per centimeter cube. Okay. This is the answer. So you can solve this problem by using the density formula of a unit cell. And I will discuss some previous year question and answers in my next video. If you like this video, then please click on the like button. Subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.